friend Rich Wall Street Williams here, and I'm super excited. Let me ask you a question. Are you tired of having unpredictable income, inconsistent results in your business month to month, and constantly feeling like you're starting over and over again as it relates to growing and prospecting? If that's so, then this webinar is just for you. The Stop Chasing Lead webinar. We teach you how to turn your database into a revenue engine, how to make the difference in the shift from mindshare to market share. Because when you carve out space in your customer's mind, you automatically begin to carve out place in the market share. We share with you the 4 C's of campaign systems, how to create a weekly rhythm in your prospecting activities, just like top producers. And then finally, how to scale up, add value without losing your personal identity and authenticity in the process. And we have a bonus for those that are signing up today. Our bonus includes an ebook that we recently produced, the Pipeline Management System. The second thing is a 60-day contact and prospecting calendar. The third thing we want to share with you is I will schedule a 45-minute one-on-one strategic session where we go over everything that I covered in the 90-minute session and how to apply it over the next 90 days. And listen, all of this would be a $697 value, but the webinar is available to you for $97. So listen, friend, if you are committed to having a better 2026 than 2025, then I highly recommend that you attend the Stop Chasing Lead webinar. Click the link below for more information. I'll see you on the other side.